For me real quick, RV. Alright, there we go. Good to go now.
You ready, RV?
Yep.
Alright. I don't know where Chris is going. You gotta cross the line and start it right there. You go. He's gonna jump the pipe. Alright, here we go. 5 minutes on the toe.
Oh!
Oh, man, go right to the back. Nope, RV over the side. Nope, back to the back. Chris up to third. Nicholas to the lead. Blake right there in second. RV in fourth. Angelo in fifth. Oh, Chris holds the tight line, trying to keep RV going anywhere. Oh, big power on Chris. Careful of Mosey. The Brando. Angelo gets by RV.
Oh!
The G-Nuster driving over the tabletop. Chris to hold on to third. RV advancing the battle out to fourth. Oh, RV tumbling it. Blake out front, Nicholas in second. Chris in third. Oh, Brandon will catch the fight. RV like, where are you going? It still looks awkward. Kind of like when two lefties. Very comfortable. Well, except that Kyoto feels like no nice fun. Yeah, wasn't awesome. 3:20 to go. Blake Fury, Nicholas right behind him in second. RV was third. Chris hit that by third. RV into fourth. Then Nicholas right there in fifth. Battle for the lead and the battle for third. RV takes the pipe.
Take it easy, dude.
RV CG inside Chris. Oh, he takes fire down the fairway. RV gonna hold on to that third spot. Benson will try and reel in. He's working like a glove. Oh, that's over. North Hampton will go. Hampton will gonna pick up four. He rolls over.
Oh, breaking.
RV's gonna let the four. Oh, ball puck. Yeah, that's good. Thing I don't like how clean it's up. This kind of Blake trying to work his way past Chris, don't let him by. Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, they're pushing it. Oh,
big crash.
There's going to be a better picture in that. Oh. That's a little ticket for you now. You start calling it Ricky Bobby. I know, Blake. I've been delicious. Here's Nicholas out front, Blake in second spot. On the third, fourth, that to go in fifth, 1:35 to go. Chris is Benson. Get every car out there before race is over. He's doing that like sports. Oh, Martin, let's go, buddy. Nicholas out front. Blake on fourth and back. Oh, lost the first year on that one. Blake 2.5 seconds back. Nicholas out front. Blake slowly reeling it in. He's got 45 seconds to go. Still probably has to pass Chris one more time. It's 2.4 seconds. Nicholas starting out on that. He's got to get by our team. Working his way through that traffic. Oh, Blake Cruyos is in. Interesting by RV. Blake needs to come down big time that time. He's 4.5 seconds back now. And seconds to go. Oh, come on. And that is the race. Thank you everyone for coming out and racing with us tonight. If anybody's going to trackside tomorrow, good luck. Our next Saturday night race will be the 19th of November.
Third place, maybe.
All right.
Maybe.